Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'm demonstrating how to make an Easter coconut cake. This cake is packed with flavor and is perfect for Easter. A surprise jelly bean explosion inside makes it even more fun and festive. So let's get started. Start by preparing the cake batter. In a bowl, mix together the dry ingredients: 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once these ingredients are combined, set the bowl aside for later. Next, whisk together 4 room temperature eggs and 2 cups of granulated sugar. Keep whisking for about 2 minutes or until the mixture becomes light and slightly pale. Add 1 1/2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and whisk until fully incorporated. Add 1/3 of the dry ingredients you combined earlier and gently stir until just combined. Add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 1/3 cup of whole milk. Stir until everything is well combined. Then add the second third of the dry ingredients and stir until fully incorporated. Add another 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 1/3 cup of whole milk and stir this until the batter is well combined. Now add the remaining dry ingredients and stir until no dry pieces are visible. If you would like to make your cake more festive, you can add a few drops of food coloring. I'm adding a bit of green for a fun touch. Divide the cake batter between 2 8-inch round pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until the cake is well risen and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. To make the cream cheese buttercream, place 1 cup of room temperature cream cheese in a mixing bowl fitted with the whisk attachment. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk together until well combined and smooth. With the mixer running on medium speed, slowly pour 2 cups of cold heavy cream into the bowl in a steady stream. This should take about a minute to ensure it's fully incorporated. Increase the mixer speed to medium-high and continue whisking until stiff peaks form. If you're not using the frosting right away, place the bowl in the fridge to keep it chilled until you're ready to use it. Slice each cake in half horizontally for a total of 4 layers. Remove the top layer and set aside for later. Using a 3 1/2 inch cookie cutter, cut a hole in the center of the remaining 3 cake layers. This will create a space for the jelly beans to be poured in later. Remove 2 top layers and set aside. Add a smooth 1/4 inch layer of cream cheese buttercream on top of the cake. Sprinkle generously with toasted coconut. Place the second layer of cake over the buttercream, ensuring it is centered and level, and repeat the process of adding cream cheese buttercream and coconut. Repeat again for the third layer of cake. Fill the center hole with jelly beans. You'll need approximately 2 cups of jelly beans to fill the center. Add the final layer of cake and ice the top and sides of the cake with a smooth layer of buttercream. Use your hands to gently press shredded coconut onto the sides of the cake and sprinkle some on top. If you want, you can decorate it however you like, perhaps adding more jelly beans, making buttercream flowers, or placing bunny peeps on top, whatever looks best to you. Your cake is now finished. Slice, serve, and enjoy. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.